Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the brush, the color picker and the brush cleaner tools. The brush tool is the primary tool for using any of the brushes in TwistedBrush Pro Studio. When the brush tool is selected, you can draw by holding and dragging your left mouse button. If any other tool is selected, you can still continue using the brush tool, but by holding and dragging your right mouse button. A right mouse click when using the brush tool will display the pop-up paint color panel. The color picker tool allows you to extract an exact color from your canvas. To use it, select the color picker tool, and click on the canvas to grab the color. The color at the clicked location is copied to the color bar. By default, the color picker tool will grab the visible color. That means, the merged color from all layers. If you want to grab just the color from the current layer, press and hold the Control key. The brush cleaner tool is designed for use with the color blending brushes. By default, when using a brush that blends colors, the brush will be automatically cleaned between brush strokes. Each time you start using a blender brush, it will take the clear color from your mouse position. If you want your brush to remain dirty between strokes and to continue blending with the already mixed colors, you can turn off the automatic brush cleaner with the brush cleaner tool. Once you turn off the auto clean option, you can use the brush tool with your right mouse button or to select the brush tool again and continue using it with the new preferences. When auto brush cleaning is off, you can use clean brush button to clean the brush.